Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'll be removing this platinum blonde hair color from Bianca's hair and trying out this Olaplex Bond Builders kit. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what Bianca's hair is looking like before we begin. She has the highly coveted platinum blonde hair color, and we're going to remove this color because we have other plans for her, okay? You may remember Bianca in the last video, Just Cuz Long Layered Haircut, which I did a long layered haircut on her hair to give her some added volume and body to her hair. So if you want to check that video out, I'll try to leave a link in the description section down below. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what Bianca's hair is looking like currently. As we can see, she has all her layers and whatnot. And now it's time to remove that hair color because we're going to be doing some swatches on her hair in an upcoming video. So please stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be using Olaplex Bond Builders Kit and the color remover Loreal EFFASOL, and I'm going to be using deionized water. Okay, so right here I've already measured the amount of deionized water I need for the EFFASOL, so I'm going to heat that up really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so right here I'm just preparing everything for the color remover. I'm going to use deionized water instead of volume 20 because the volume 20 with the EFFASOL is very damaging, okay? So hopefully this will leave her hair in a better condition, even though I know her hair is highly processed and it's easily breaks. So hopefully this will help remove the color and preserve her hair from breaking in the process. So stay tuned. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to go ahead on and start at the roots, and then I'm going to work it throughout the ends. I'm going to start in the front because I was afraid that I might not have enough product to do her entire head, so that's what you see me doing here. So I'm just going to work it from the roots and make sure that we have thorough emulsification application, okay? And then right here, I'm just going to take it and do the other side, the same thing, to make sure that I have enough for the cover of her head. Apparently, I'm going to be using two applications of the Loreal EFFASOL. So that's what you're going to see in this video because at some point I'm going to run out. Right here, it's applied on dry hair. Of course, you do have the option to use damp hair as a shampoo, but I wanted it to remove that that platinum blonde hair color because I have some videos coming up where I'm going to be using the Wella toners, okay, and we're going to be applying it to her hair. Hopefully she'll have hair left after all of this, hopefully, okay. So just working that EFFASOL with the deionized water, and now I'm working my way to the back of the head, okay. And at some point, I'm going to run out of solution. You have to be careful with this particular product because it's very runny, okay? So just keep that in mind. It's going to drip all down your face and everything. As you saw what was going on with Bianca right here, I'm just trying to at least get the top portion covered before I end up running out, which I'm already running out. It probably would have stretched a little bit longer if I had used it on damp hair, but I wanted as much color removed as possible, so I used it on dry hair. So right here I'm going to apply it to the other quadrant of her head. And I'm going to try to get as much coverage as I can from this first application of the Loreal EFFASOL. And I'm going to end up having to remix another bottle. So just stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm mixing up my second batch of the Loreal EFFASOL with deionized water. Okay, so just mixing my little packets together. I think we're at a total of 4 at this point for her hair. So if your hair is a little bit longer, you're going to need a lot more than just 4. Okay, so just shaking that up and make sure I got everything thoroughly emulsified. And I believe this should be enough to cover her entire head in her lengths. Okay, so just going to tip her head forward. Like I said, this product is very running. And I think at the second time I heated it I heated it a lot longer than the first time I did it. So the bottle was pretty hot. Okay, so just be careful when you heating up that deionized water, because you don't want the bottle to be so hot it like burns your fingertips, which is what's happening in this case anyway. So I'm going to make sure I apply. I probably could have used 1 packet and I didn't realize that until after, but I was so anxious to help and get this color remover on. I was afraid if I allowed the product to cool or wait too long, it may become ineffective. Okay, so yeah, that's what you see me doing here. Apparently, see, I have plenty left over, more than I would like to have. Okay, so making sure I got even coverage throughout the entire head and hair, and working that product through. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, just going over the other places that I did previously to make sure we got thorough coverage. Okay, because I had product left, I decided to go ahead and pull out my other mannequin. Okay, so you may be familiar with Shanice. I did a video on her about a year ago, apparently, called Loreal EFFASOL Color Remover Review. I'll try to leave a link in the description section down below. In that video, I did this red hair color, and right now I'm going to remove it. And she had like black roots or whatever. So, yeah, just see me applying it to her hair, hopefully as fast as I can. And I have enough product. Luckily, I had enough product to coat her entire head. So my product, my EFFASOL did not go to waste. It was put into good use. And I'll show you the results at the end of this video. Okay, so right here I'm just making sure I thoroughly coat all of her hair from root to ends and get a thorough emulsification of product because we want all of this hair color removed. So just stay tuned. I'll show you the results at the end of this video. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. If you find my videos helpful or beneficial and you would like to make a contribution to the channel, please contribute to my Cash App. The link is listed in the description section down below. Thank you. Okay, so I've just shampooed Bianca's hair. As we can see, we're getting a lot of shedding here. And I got kind of worried, so I decided to use some of that Olaplex that I had. And I was going to use it for my own hair, but I feel like she needs it more. So right here, I'm just showing you all of the hair that's rolling out of her head. And as we can see, this is the Olaplex number 0. It says applied. I thought it was to damp hair, so this is where I screw up at. I thought it was to be applied to damp hair. Apparently it has to be totally dry. So this is the first step in my mistake. So continue watching. Okay, so as you can see here, before you wash your hair, apply slowly. I don't know why you would apply it slowly. What does that mean? And I don't know if you can see this. This sprayer is like, it's a super soaker or something. I don't understand why is it in a mist. Maybe you don't want to inhale it. I don't know. But anyway, right here, I'm just working it through her hair. Even though the directions say apply to dry hair, I'm applying it to damp hair, okay? You literally could put out a customer's eye with that. But yeah, that's what you see me doing here, applying it to her hair. Hopefully I can get some of the benefits to work for her. And I'm probably going to end up doing this again, maybe. I don't know. I might even do a video on Afrogy, so just keep an eye out for that, okay? So just rubbing that through and going to the next step right here, just showing you that a lot of the hair loss that she had, which it just keeps going and going and going. And I was afraid she was going to get bald patches, but continue watching. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to be applying number 3, as you can see here, which is like a creamy conditioner, but it's not a conditioner. It's a bond repair, okay? So that's what you're going to see me apply now. Hopefully this can slow down or at least stop some of the breakage that we have going on here, because I paid good money for this mannequin, and the last thing I want to do is have to either chop all her hair off or have to, either way, have to buy another one because she lost all her hair, okay? Like I said, I purchased the ash blonde one to compare it to the other one, which is like just a natural blonde hair. Um, just to see the comparison. The other one's name is Olivia. You're going to see her in this video as well for a comparison of what the hair colors are looking like from each mannequin now that I've removed the ash blonde from this one, Olivia, okay? I mean Bianca. This is Bianca, okay? Anyway, so just working that hair color, sorry, that bond builder throughout the entire head. So that's what you see me doing here. Bianca is the one with the ash hair, and Olivia is the one with the natural blonde hair. As you can see, all the breakage that happened in that process, okay? So right here, I'm just showing you the hair that's dangling from her ends. And I'm just going to take my paddle brush, and you're going to really get the chance to see how much hair she has lost just from doing that one process, okay? So just continue watching. Okay, so as we can see here, in addition to all the hair that you saw she lost in the very beginning to this here, she lost a lot. At least in my opinion. I think that's the reason why they make these mannequins' hair so full, is because they're expecting you to lose a lot of hair. And that's exactly what happened here. Okay, so I used the shampoo in the kit, number 4 and number 5. I left it on for 3 minutes, and this is what's the hair is looking like after I've rinsed it out. Okay, so going back in with my brush to detangle the hair. Okay, so that's what you just see me doing here. and working that brush throughout all of that hair. And honestly, I'm getting a lot less breakage than I was at the very beginning. So maybe it has helped, or maybe I just took all of the broken hair out of the hair, if that makes any sense. Okay, so just working that through, starting from the ends and working my way up to the top of the head. Okay, so just combing her hair back, trying to find her natural part, and that's the way we're going to be styling our hair today. So yeah. Okay, so here's what my hair brush is looking like after I brushed her hair thoroughly. As you can see, it's much less than it was before. I'm not exactly sure if the bond build had anything to do with that, but here we are. Okay, so up next, I'm going to show you what the hair looked like before I did the color remover. As we can see here, she has that platinum blonde hair color everybody loves, okay? And up next, I'm going to show you what her hair looks like after I remove the hair color, and I'm going to compare it to her sister Olivia, so stay tuned. If you are in the market for a quality 5x5 closure wig, then please check out my webpage at tpupbeauty.com. I have various styles to suit various tastes, and I do quality. The hair is quality, the haircut is quality, color, and everything. Here is an example here of a wig I just completed in this video. If you were interested in making a purchase, then please go to my website at tpupbeauty.com. Again, that is tpupbeauty.com. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. TigrePup Beauty.
Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the comparison between Olivia, which is on your left, and Bianca. The video that I'm doing now is on your right. Bianca has had the platinum blonde hair. I'm just showing you the comparison so you can see the two together and how much hair color was removed from Bianca's hair. As you can see, it still looks kind of cool in comparison to Olivia, but I don't think I'm going to use any more color remover. But yeah, so that's what we're looking like right here. Also, when I was trying to make the video to show you the outdoor situation, it's been raining the last couple of days, so it's been difficult to try to get those videos. So up next, I'm going to have Shanice, and we're going to take a look at her hair. Okay, sorry I don't have a before, but this is what her hair is looking like now. It's looking more orange on camera. In person looks a little bit more red, but yeah, just gonna have to work on trying to remove her hair color and maybe do something in another video pretty soon with her in it. So just keep an eye out for our star here, and thank you for watching. Okay, so in my final opinion, I believe that the color remover actually did do its job in removing that ash hair color, and now her hair is a natural blonde, so I can go ahead and do a color over that. And as for that bond builder kit, I honestly feel like it did a little something, not very much, but I didn't use it correctly. I will have a video showing me use it correctly, so keep an eye out for that. So honestly, after everything was said and done, it did help a little bit, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.